for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first I want to go in with a primer. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal. I have dark circles, so I definitely want to conceal that so you don't see that. Done today. Okay, so for what I use for my concealer is I use my Clinique. But I am going to use a technique that I saw from another YouTuber where I'm going to use my setting powder or my loose powder. I'm going to put it all over my face and it reduces the shine. So we're going to do that first. And then I'm going to make a mess because that's what I do. I make a mess. Because what's makeup without making a mess, right? I'm going to say don't put a lot, but I put a lot because I later blend it in. And that is a lot. See how it cuts down on the shine on my face? Now, like I said, I do have dark circles, so I definitely want to conceal that for sure. Okay. Blends nicely into my face. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with that. One eyebrow is darker than the other. Look, it's a process, so we just gonna be happy that they look like something, because they do. They look like something. Okay, so for my foundation, of course I'm using Rihanna, and I am the color 43. No, 430. It looks so bright on the camera, like looking at it. It's crazy. This is like my favorite foundation ever. So I'm gonna go in with the Instant Age Rewinder from Maybelline for my concealer. This is not in my shade, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this in and then I'm going to go back in with the Clinique. I just like how it makes my under eye look. Oh, that's serious. But look how it makes my under eye look. It's like flawless. So I'm gonna go back in with this, the Clinique. I'm probably only gonna put a little bit. It doesn't look too bad. It blends fine. Like, it doesn't look too bad. But that white cast is something serious. I cannot have that. What I want to go into with next is my contour. I always mess this up, and it's gonna be Rihanna. I'm using another wedge. Yeah, I'm using this wedge. Because it's a foundation, every time I go in with a brush, what happens is it gives me way too much. Granted, I can go in with my hand. I think I'll do that. I'll just go in with my hand. A couple of dots at the top. It's funny, on the camera you can actually see the difference, but in person it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna put some setting powder because, like I said, if I don't, what will happen is throughout the day, right here, will get crazy oily. Yeah, I'm still learning eyeshadows, so I don't want to like overdo it. I'm actually doing that off camera because, but I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked palette, and I'm probably gonna mix it with my NYX palette, because of the neutral colors and the pinks and stuff like that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. I'll tell you exactly what I did. I used my Dreamcatcher palette from NYX, and I used it. These don't have names on them. So for my base color, I use this pretty little, it's like a sandy peach color. I really don't explain it. And then I went in with this like pinkish rose gold color, which you really can't see, but I went in right here going out. And for my eyeliner, I use you see how worn out it is? It's the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner, favorite eyeliner. It is $22 and it's worth every penny. And then for my little corners, I use Virgin from the Urban Decay Naked palette. That's how I did my eyes. And for my mascara, I'm going to use Argan Wear mascara. So I'm not going to put lashes on, only because I'm trying to grow out my eyelashes. Now for my lipstick, what I am going to do is use my NYX crayon. It's Plum. I have these new lipsticks that I really do want to try. They're from Burt's Beads. I don't know if they're the same exact color. And the last time I tried it, it didn't really stay too much on my lips. So I'm going to line my lips, my lip liner, which I need a new one of. But I'm going to use this. I'm going to see if it comes up. Oh, it does. Oh, it's a nice color too. It's actually a really nice color. It didn't come up last time. That is cute. It's a really it's really plummy plum. I don't smell it. I don't like the smell of it at all. But this is cute. Real simple. I would wear this look to work. I need to highlight. Highlight! Look at all the colors. You can't even see it. And as you can tell, I use this, the middle bottom color a lot. Because it looks so nice on me. This is not the brush that I need, but this is the brush that I picked up. So this is what I'm going to use. Look at that. Bam. Try to blend that out. I need to blend that part out. Get it together, brush. Because why not? Why not highlight my lip, right? Makeup is supposed to be fun. I should use a bronzer. Ta-da! All done. If you like what you see, if you have any tips, especially about doing my eyebrows and eyeshadow, because like I said, I'm not really good at it, please let me know. And thank you for tuning in, for subscribing if you did. For watching. I appreciate it, and I hope that I get to see you in my next video. And also follow me on social media at AhnjaJosette. I'm on Snapchat, I'm on Twitter, and I'm on Instagram, so follow me there. And I hope I see you next time.